Introduce the usage of 7-parameter. When processing data, the software defaults to the WGS84 UTM coordinate system. We can set it to other coordinate systems. If the default coordinate system and the target coordinate system have different references, the 7-parameter can be used for transformation. First, create a new SLAM processing project. Select the Save folder. Then create a processing task through the project wizard. Select the laser file. For the platform, you can choose Auto, or select based on the collection mode. Click Next, and check the option to process GNSS. Here, select Differential GNSS. Import the log file of the mobile station. The base station can be selected based on the actual situation. Here, Rhinex is used as a demonstration. Then add the base station data. The positioning mode can be parsed from the data header or manually. If the coordinates of the known base station are available, they can be entered manually. I choose to parse from the data header here. Then click Next. The default coordinate system of the software is WGS84 UTM coordinate system. You can check the target coordinate system and then set it. Because the reference of the coordinate system we want to define has changed. So you can check to use the 7-parameter. Then click on the 7-parameter setting to import the 7-parameter. The 7-parameter can be entered manually or imported via a file. The 7 parameters include XYZ rotation and translation, plus the last scale factor. After importing, click OK. Here you can click to add the target coordinate system. Create a new projected coordinate system. The coordinate system name can be customized. The projection used is the transverse Mercator projection. Input the parameters of the coordinate system. The unit can be selected based on the actual coordinate system. For example, meters or other units. The geographic coordinate system can also be defined and modified. Then click OK. A user-defined coordinate system has been added. Then click Next. If there are images, you can also choose to import images. Then click Next and click Finish. After the processing task is established, click Start. After processing is complete, through the pink point in the Tool tab, you can see that the data is in the absolute coordinate system. Click on the data in the catalog tree, and you can also check its coordinate system.